Easy peasy. The Filipino style spaghetti is sweet, so if you don't like sweet spaghetti red sauce, you can skip the video. Okay, let's saute onion and garlic. And then when it's translucent, you want to add the meat. I use ground pork, but you can also use ground beef. Then when it's cooked, you want to add your salt and pepper. Then add your zucchini, mix it a little, minute or so before adding your sauce. I like using the one from Target, this tomato sauce, and then I just mix it with brown sugar. This is half a cup of brown sugar. And this is optional, the banana ketchup. I like it spicy. Then let it boil for 5 minutes. So you have your Filipino style spaghetti. I have a lot of leftovers, so I put it back on a jar. I reuse it. It's for, an emergency. The verdict? Kain na sarap. Rate 1 to 5.
10.
Whatever.